So, hello everyone again. My name is Larry Cole. I'm the host of COVID Impact 360 Conversations. I have with me today Doc Roy, who's the Chief Science Officer of COVID Impact 360. We are in the middle of doing 11 questions that came from a video we did 2 months ago on the history of SARS-CoV-2 and COVID-19. And some people were really kind to send in some smartly framed questions. So we're now on question number 3. And this question number 3 came from a Tricia L. Where are the ACE2 receptors found in the human body? Go ahead.
Good question, Tricia, and a fairly simple one to answer. But before I start your answer, you're going to keep hearing me refer to something called epithelia or epithelial cells. Please understand that every tube in your body, from your trachea and your esophagus, your bronchi into your lungs, all of your large and small intestines, they're tubes. And along those tubes, at the outside edge of all of those tubes, are lined by specific cells, and those cells are called epithelial cells. So understand they're just the the cells that come in contact with anything that's in the intestine, which anything that in your windpipe or in when you swallow food. It's just the cells that line those tubes. And it's important for you to understand that because you'll keep hearing me say epithelial cells. So, first of all, ACE2 receptors stands for angiotensin converting enzyme 2. Okay. And they are located in many places in the human body, in the epithelial cells that line your bronchi, and in the type 2 pneumocytes found on the alveoli, the small little air sacs of the lung. They're on epithelial cells that line your gut, on epithelial cells of a special type called endothelial cells that line all of your arteries and veins, any blood vessel. Their exterior epithelial cells have a special name called endothelial cells or endothelium. Okay, so you'll find SARS-CoV ACE2 receptors on the endothelium of the smooth muscle cells and in lining all of the blood vessels in your body. You're also going to find ACE2 receptors um, in your heart, your brain, the male testes, on the tubular epithelial cells of your kidney. They can also be found and expressed on your nasal and oral mucosa, and they can allow SARS-CoV-2 to move around to other organs and tissues in the body because they line every single blood vessel that supplies those tissues with oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. So that's where ACE2 receptors are found in the human body.
Thanks, everyone. I will we'll carry on and I'll see you in a couple minutes.